Welcome back to the channel, guys.
Hello, it's another day here on Stoked Living. We got some snow. It's middle of March and things should be greening up. You can see a few of the buds on the trees are kind of doing a little thing. But it should not be cold like this. But that's the way it goes. So we've got some projects, different things to work on today. Our livestock guardian dog, he found some holes in the fence, and we've got to get that situation taken care of. So we need to find out where he's getting out at and encourage him not to get out anymore. So we'll see how that goes, but first we need to feed the animals. Yeah, you can see the remnants.
That's what the dog.
That's the dog chewed all this up.
Can't chew my glove up at least.
He's in big trouble.
That's be hard cleaning up.
Yeah, I know. We have to clean that up.
Remember the windscreen that was blown away. Most of it.
Yep, the old animals are looking pretty good. Water heater's working. So they got fresh, good, clean water.
I'm gonna get
Where's he at?
over there in the garden.
He's in the garden?
Yeah.
I hollered at him and he took off running.
Yeah.
And he knows he's in trouble. Philip, I need buckets.
Okay.
All right, here, I'm gonna open him up. There you go, go, Philip, go get me buckets. Go,
Okay.
go. Go. No, hurry, run.
I'm so. Oh my gosh, I ain't gonna do that.
All right, ready? I'm gonna open it up. Ready?
I'll go over there.
No, go this way. Ready?
Quiet.
He's going 1, 2, 3. Yeah, here you go, guys. Come back.
Ollie!
Cranky.
You don't do it. It's Ollie's never seen this cranky one, right?
He's an angry little dog. Right, Roger, come back.
Oh, I'll hold the gate.
Oh man. I gotta go feed. Well, watch out, guys. Hey, Billy, get out of here. Here, watch out. Get back. Come here, Philip.
Why?
Come help me with Tyke. I'm gonna take his cast off, splint off. Hey, Tyke. You having fun? Kind of warm right here, isn't it, buddy? Kind of warm right here, isn't it? There you go. Hold that right there. Get this. Come here, buddy. Let's get down here. All right. we're gonna take your old bandage off, buddy.
Oh, I feel better.
Yeah, here, watch your camera. Watch the camera. I'm gonna get kind of level, bro. Here.
Okay.
Just kind of hold it. Oh man, you're strong, Tyke. Just kind of hold it like that right there. All right. Hey, Herbert.
Herbert, come over here.
Oh, he just popped me right there in the. Your old horn just got me right in the face.
Herbert
ain't got much of a horn. Tyke does. Ow.
Tyke is not even that old either.
That hurt.
Okay, this might be bad.
What?
Is he like scream?
No. Oh, he's not gonna scream. I just gotta get this wrap off of it. Okay, easy there, Tyke.
You don't want to hurt him. Is the leg better or something now?
Huh?
The leg better?
Yeah, it's better. Yeah.
It's a lot better, probably.
Yeah, it's been 5 to 6 weeks, something like that, since he had it. Since he had his injury.
Now you don't know that popsicle sticks behind you.
Yeah.
That'll be annoying.
There you go, buddy. There you go. Is that better? Is that better, Tyke?
Dad, look.
Where's he at?
Dad, look.
Well, Herbert?
Look at that goat, Dad. See?
Yeah. Herb, what are you doing in there? Are you looking for something to eat? Or are you just hiding out?
Oh, here you got something to eat. No one's eating over there. Except for one.
I think they already ate.
Yep, they did.
You like that, Herb?
How do they eat it that fast?
Here, come over here. Hold on a moment.
I just want to pet you. Are you eating some hay?
Here, grab Herbert right there. Come here, Herb.
I want his mom.
Here, hold it right there. Put him in your lap and just hold it right there. Ollie, get back.
Oh,
Get out of here, buddy.
what are you doing? Okay, bye. Sorry.
So, old Ollivander, he's been getting out, and I kind of found out where he's been going through. What's kind of nice about having the snow is there's evidence. You can see his tracks coming all the way through here, coming through here. Voila, there he is. I haven't quite finished out this fence yet, but I've got to get this down lower. I'm gonna drive me a T-post right. Yeah, I'm gonna drive me a T-post right there and then attach it and pull it down. That's what I'm gonna do. Okay, I've got a game plan now. I thought I was gonna have to run a hot wire or something like that through there. I didn't really want to do that. But I think I can make do with a T-post and tie that fence down tight down there. So that's what we're gonna do. Yeah. So I just got something in the mail. Pretty excited about. I haven't told you guys this, but on here anyways. But we decided to kind of do kind of like a fall pumpkin festival thing or something like that, or pumpkin patch for kids and families up at my mom and dad's place. And I ordered some seed for this, and I just got them in today, so pretty excited about it. I'm not sure if they all came in or not, but I bought it, ordered it from Harris Seed. So like this one right here is just called the Pumpkin Patch SD Collection. I'm not sure. We've got a Howden Biggie, a Field Trip, Lumina, Magic Lantern, Munchkin, miniature ones. So just kind of smorgasbord of pumpkins. And this is kind of the same thing there, a variety of them. This one right here, Goblin, the pumpkin, the warty pumpkin, is kind of an orange and green, got warts all over it. Oh, let's see how that goes. The Apprentice pumpkin, Cotton Candy pumpkin, Sunflowers. I'm gonna plant a lot of them. This one right here, this is what I'm really excited about. It is Pumpkin Dill's Atlantic Giant. It's gonna be a giant pumpkin. Huge light orange fruit, often weighing more than 200 pounds. Competitive ones require special care. That's what I'm going for, is the competitive ones. This crop requires moderate moisture and soil temperatures of at least 70 Fahrenheit. So, 125 days from seeding. So anyways, me and some guys at work, we're gonna, Philip and Liv's gonna be helping me on this, but we're gonna try to grow some giant pumpkins, kind of like a little competition thing. So I'm a little concerned about it because it says Atlantic Giant. And if my geography skills is correct, we're not really in the Atlantic environment. So I'm not sure how well this is going to go, but we'll find out. Give you a little review on that. So we'll see how it goes.